Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to purchase a Trainline ticket online in 2025. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just planning a quick trip, this guide will make the process easy and fast. Trainline is one of the most user-friendly platforms for booking train tickets in the UK and beyond, and I'll walk you through it step by step. So, grab your device, and let's get started. First things first. Open your web browser and head to the official Trainline website at trainline.com. If you're on your phone, you can also download the Trainline app for a seamless experience. It's free and works great on both iOS and Android. Once you're on the site, you'll see a simple search bar right at the top. Enter your departure and arrival stations, select your travel dates, and choose the time that works best for you. Don't forget to pick the number of passengers and any preferences like first class or standard. Next, hit the Search button, and Trainline will display a list of available options. You'll see prices, durations, and even route details. Compare a few to find the best deal. Sometimes, off-peak times save you money. Once you've selected your train, click on it to proceed. Now, you'll need to add passenger details. Enter names, ages if applicable for discounts, and any railcards you have. This is where you can also choose extras like seat selection or flexible tickets for more peace of mind. After that, review your booking summary to make sure everything looks good. Then, it's time to pay. Trainline accepts major credit cards, debit cards, and even PayPal. The process is secure, so no worries there. Once payment is confirmed, you'll get an e-ticket sent to your email almost instantly. That's it, you're all set. A quick tip. Always check for promotions or sign up for Trainline's newsletter for exclusive deals. And if you run into any issues, their customer support is top-notch. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Safe travels in 2025.